just starting another day and people already stopped me. It's got to be real cool with the people because they have that good customer service. Right here, see what the customer's going to purchase. Buenas tardes, ¿cómo están?
Mira, acá andamos, mi hijo.
Yo.
Mi netito, mire.
Oh, su nieto. Qué bueno,
A
oiga.
ver, déles una patatita.
Ahí me dicen de cuál, oiga.
A ver, why
Which one do you guys want? The turtle one and la tortuga. Turtles. Algo más. Disculpe. You can grab it. You can grab it. Vanilla crunch, okay. Son 10 el total, oiga.
Ah, está bien.
¿Cómo está, oiga?
Acá andamos, sí, le damos.
¿Consiguió el refrigerador?
No, todavía no. A ver si me hace el paro para que les salgan los güeyes que no quieren. Es que según eso, mi hermana, como vive en Las Vegas,
¿Iba a llamar?
iba a llamar, pero a ver si me hace el paro usted porque pinche lengua de
Después como me mira acá, oiga.
gato.
Pues si no, a mi casa, yo es el del primer apartamento.
Oh, sí, sí, ok.
Yeah, yo llamo por usted.
Sí.
Para que me dé su información y todo y le llamamos a ver qué pasó.
Sí,
Yeah.
ahí le un pedacito para.
Muchas gracias, señor. Tenga muy buenas tardes. Que Dios lo bendiga. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Muchas gracias.
A ver si me ponen esa lengua, el abanico y esa. Mira, mis netitos, que chulo.
Qué bueno.
Hijos de
Y
mi-
que los trata bien y todo. Así se tiene que hacer, oiga.
Bien.
Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Usted también. Muchas gracias. Bye. That's the main thing, like when you do the ice cream business, having the best attitude, customer service, and people will buy from you a lot. I mean, people, they're cool, like really cool. As long as you're cool with them, that's how it is. Having the good customer service. Well, I'll be on here recording more videos. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Yeah, I'll park right there, yeah. Hey, how you doing, man?
Good. Let me get. You got any sodas?
Sodas, I only have Gatorade and water right now.
How much your Gatorade? What kind of Gatorade you got?
I have blue, red. I'm for $4.
$4?
Yeah,
Yeah, how much your waters?
the water's only $1.
Take a water. What is it?
What is it?
Chamoy.
The chamoycito?
Yeah, what's that?
Lucas Chamoy.
Oh, is it this one right here, the Lucas Chamoy, or is it the same as this one right here?
Yeah, it's the same thing. They remade it like that. This is exactly the same thing.
Let me
They
get
just
that.
changed the name on it.
Let me get that, please.
Okay.
How much is that?
It's gonna be 5 in total.
5?
Yeah.
4?
Oh!
I think I got another dollar. Hold on.
Okay.
But,
Like,
shit, I don't have another dollar, bro. Will you take 4? Or call you?
just go ahead, man.
Are you sure?
Only this time.
Yeah, for sure, bro. I
Yeah,
apologize, man.
only this
Just
time.
like-
It's not gonna hurt.
I'll shoot you another
Yeah.
dollar, you mean?
Once in a while, I mean.
Yeah, no, but I'll shoot
Yeah.
you another dollar for 5 minutes.
Yeah, you'll be around here. I live right there, though.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
right
I'm
here on the
always
side.
Right here, bro. I always right here.
Yeah, I live on the first apartment right there, bro.
Okay, I'll get you back next time I have an
Yeah, I'm always around here because I start right here, selling right here,
Okay,
right
for
next
sure,
to the
bro.
park.
I got you. I'm
Hey, have a good one, man.
Hey, get you back. Thank
Don't
you.
worry.
Appreciate it.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. Hi. How you guys doing? Pretty good. This is a good area up here. Yeah, I like coming up here. People be buying, like, it's cool.
Do you guys have the Big Dipper cookies and cream puff?
Cookies and cream for sure.
Chips galore
The
sandwich.
chips galore, okay.
That'll be all.
It's gonna be 11 total.
How many?
11.
11?
11, 6. 12, 13. Hey, how you doing, sir?
Hey, man, how you
It's been
doing?
a while.
I know, I always miss you.
Sorry, man. I'm starting to come up here more often.
I'm
It's
always
been selling
missing.
pretty cool up here.
Yeah, you've been
The
like,
area's nice.
yeah.
It sells pretty cool.
You got any of the chocolate fudge?
The fudge bars, yeah. How many you want?
How much are they?
3?
Give me 3 of them.
3 for you, bro. For you. That's the deal for you.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
$9. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I keep missing you, man. So, what, you like, do you come about this time all the time or what?
Most likely on the weekends. It depends how it sells.
Yeah,
If it slows down somewhere, I just go somewhere else. That's how it is.
yeah.
I do it like all the city right here, Desert Hot Springs. But that's how I do it.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Well, maybe
Because I think sometimes people start running out of money, huh?
Yeah.
And then that's when I be like, oh, it's slow. I just go to another area. Yeah.
All right, maybe I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, thank you very much. Have a nice day. And yourself, how you doing?
Good. What's good?
Everything.
What's the best deal I can get?
I don't know. What do you like
$5 about the going price?
on fries?
$5.
What do you want to buy? Ice cream, chips, or what?
I want to draw. Give me a big Mississippi mud.
Oh, that one's $5.
That $5?
Yeah. You want it?
I'll take that one. Yeah, that'll work.
Thank you, sir.
Give me some of this.
Have a very nice day, sir.
Goodbye, and my dogs are waiting for you.
I like the area out here. It's pretty cool.
The air.
The area over here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, people be buying all the time. Like,
You get a lot of sales out here?
so and so. It's pretty cool up here. It's nice too.
What's your name?
Peter.
Peter. I'm Gene. All
Nice
right.
to meet you, man.
Thank you. I got a sore hand.
Oh,
I fucked it up.
too much work, huh?
Yeah.
Working too much.
All right, Peter.
Hey, have a nice day. Thank you.
Oh, my roof's full.
I will. I'll be around here. How you doing, sir?
Very good. How are you?
Good.
Oh, wow. Hi. Nice to see you.
Two Big Dippers,
Two Big Dippers, what flavor, sir?
chocolate.
Chocolate lovers, okay. Anything else?
No, thank you.
It's gonna be $10, sir. Let me get you a 10.
Thank you.
In a second. Oh, you're welcome, no problem. Let me get you $10. 5, 10. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank
Have a very nice day.
you. You do the same.
You're very welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Came all the way up here. But it's nice out here. I like the area up here. Yeah, the area up here is really quiet and close to the mountains. It's pretty nice. Yeah, and right now it's starting to cool down too.
Here's you coming up here.
I like coming up here because nobody else does, and then people be buying up here too.
I
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot. You guys have a good one. You're very welcome. Take care. Okay. This is one of my favorite ice cream bars right here. The cookies and cream bar. Pretty good.
La canción de adentro, el ice cream,
Ajá.
dije, el valió madre. ¿Tienes el Powerpuff, bro?
Yeah, la poderosa, yeah, Powerpuff Girls.
Dame uno.
¿Algo más?
Tienes, damos unos chicharrones, pero sin nada.
Ok.
No le pongas nada. Esto es de ruedita.
Ese es el último ya esto.
Ok.
Salen estos volando ya.
¿Cuánto vale más? ¿Cuánto vale más?
Ah, total son 5 ya. I mean 10.
10.
5, le estoy cobrando la mitad.
Vale.
Ya. Déjeme darle su cambio.
Sí, la mera fe.
Es que pues más ahorita lo que está más difícil es el calor, oiga.
Lo que trata de ir a sacar los ayudas.
No,
No,
no hay tantos acá, oiga.
es que te saltan a los paleteros, ¿no?
Antes, oigan, pero a mí no. Al otro lado. Por aquí, ¿dónde era donde viven también unos? Era al otro lado. Me dicen, ¿sabe qué me dijeron? Que acá no, casi no se vende. Le dije, no, ¿cómo no? Sí, acá también se vende. Ya. Anda, ayer vendí más acá.
Sí.
Sí. Pero esta área está más bonita, oiga, porque me gusta más, pues, para acá están las montañas, más
Sí.
tranquilo.
¿Tú vives aquí, cerca?
Sí, vivo acá junto al parque del skatepark. Aquí en la... ¿Cómo se llama esta calle? Como en la...
Oh, por la...
Como la West casi.
por la West.
Así, el parque que está ahí al lado. Aquí ya. No el de la 8, pero la otra, en el otro.
Oh, ok.
Está allá junto, por la estrella.
¿Y nomás tienes un trabajo?
Sí.
Sí, te la llevas a gusto.
Más o menos, sí. Sí, pues sí. Lo único más difícil ahorita es por el sol, más temprano.
Calor, ¿verdad?
Pero
Pero... operación, algo.
estuviera bueno, ¿no?
Sí, te deben a gusto ahí.
Ya,
Nomás te abrieron la puerta.
pero
y vámonos.
ya que se empiece a poner más fresco, está más mejor, oiga.
Sí,
Y no sale uno todo el día, como el fin de semana.
sí.
Ya.
Muchas gracias,
Oh, gracias a ustedes.
Hasta la
A ustedes.
otra.
Tengan muy buenas tardes.
Ya con el sonido, pues ya vas.
Ya ve, dijo, ya voy a tener que gastar ahora sí.
No, pues estaba bañándome. Dije, que nos bañes, ya valió madre.
Oh, ya ve, hay que comprarle a la niña.
Vale.
Muchas gracias, tengan buenas tardes, hasta luego. Gracias. ¿Cuál? Oiga, la fudge.
Vainilla.
La de crunch. La crunch vainilla, oiga. Crunch vanilla.
Classic, sí, de aquí, blueberry, con-
Esta es chocolate en vanilla, oiga. Vainilla y chocolate, la de crunch.
No, es de la otra que nomás chocolate. No tiene-
La crunch de toda chocolate.
Sí,
Esa no la tengo, oiga.
no tiene.
Nomás tengo strawberry and vanilla.
Ah, pues así.
This is vanilla chocolate. Hope you guys enjoyed the sales that I made today with an ice cream truck. And that's it for today. Peas and I'm out.